Welcome to Quiet Nature. Did you know male seahorses are the ones that give birth? Unlike most animals, seahorses reverse the roles of pregnancy. After fertilization, females transfer their eggs into the male's brood pouch. Inside, the eggs are protected, receive oxygen, and develop for 14 to 28 days. When ready, the male gives birth to live young, known as fry. Nature truly is amazing. Thanks for exploring this incredible fact with us. Subscribe to our channel, Quiet Nature, for more wonders of the natural world.